In the realm of woodworking, the ability to turn scrap wood into profitable crafts presents an exciting opportunity for artisans and entrepreneurs alike. Many woodworkers find themselves with excess material after completing larger projects, and rather than discarding these scraps, they can be transformed into unique, sellable items. This practice not only reduces waste, but also provides a sustainable approach to generating income. Embracing the potential of leftover wood encourages creativity and innovation, enabling woodworkers to explore a wide range of possibilities. The journey begins with recognizing the value in scrap wood. Each piece has its own character and potential, waiting for a creative mind to bring it to life. By approaching these materials with an open mindset, artisans can discover new ideas and techniques that enhance their crafting skills. This exploration fosters a unique style that can set a business apart in a competitive marketplace. Quick and straightforward projects allow woodworkers to maximize their production without extensive time commitments, making it possible to create multiple items in a short period. Understanding the target market is crucial for successfully selling crafted items. Researching consumer preferences can provide valuable insights into what types of products are currently in demand. By focusing on trends and customer interests, woodworkers can tailor their creations to meet the needs of their audience. This adaptability is essential as consumer tastes can shift rapidly. Engaging with potential customers through surveys or social media can also yield ideas for new projects that resonate with buyers. Marketing plays a significant role in turning crafted items into profits. Establishing a strong online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce sites allows woodworkers to showcase their creations to a broader audience. High-quality photographs and engaging descriptions can captivate potential buyers, while storytelling about the crafting process can add depth and appeal to each piece. By sharing the journey of creating these items, artisans can foster a connection with consumers, encouraging them to make purchases. Networking within the woodworking community can lead to new opportunities and collaborations. Participating in local craft fairs, joining woodworking groups, and engaging with fellow artisans can provide valuable exposure and feedback. These interactions can inspire new ideas and enhance skills, as sharing experiences with others fosters a sense of camaraderie. Building relationships within the community can create a support system that benefits everyone involved, ultimately contributing to personal and professional growth. Pricing product effectively is essential for ensuring profitability. Woodworkers must consider the costs associated with materials, labor, and overhead when determining prices. Conducting market research to understand how similar items are priced can help artisans set competitive rates that reflect the quality of their work. Striking a balance between affordability for customers and profitability for the business is critical. Transparent pricing can build trust and encourage repeat purchases, leading to long-term customer relationships. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important to consumers, making it a strong selling point for crafted items made from scrap wood. Highlighting eco-friendly practices, such as using reclaimed materials or non-toxic finishes, can attract environmentally conscious buyers. Promoting these sustainable aspects can enhance a brand's reputation and foster a loyal customer base. As consumers become more mindful of their purchasing decisions, emphasizing sustainability can differentiate a woodworking business in a positive light. Engaging with customers is vital for building loyalty and encouraging repeat business. Actively seeking feedback and encouraging reviews can provide insights for improvement and help establish trust. Positive testimonials can act as powerful marketing tools, prompting others to make purchases. Creating a sense of community around the brand fosters loyalty, encouraging customers to return and recommend products to others. Building relationships through personalized communication can enhance customer satisfaction and retention. Time management is essential for balancing crafting with other responsibilities. Setting aside dedicated time for production, marketing, and networking can help streamline operations. Efficiently organizing tasks enables woodworkers to focus on their craft, ensuring that the business remains enjoyable and fulfilling. Developing a structured schedule can lead to a more productive workflow, allowing artisans to allocate time effectively between crafting and business operations. As the business grows, investing in better tools and equipment may become necessary. Upgrading to higher quality tools can enhance craftsmanship and efficiency, resulting in better products. While initial costs may be a concern, the long-term benefits of improved output and quality can outweigh these investments. Continuous education through workshops, online courses, or local woodworking groups can provide valuable knowledge and techniques that contribute to growth and skill enhancement. Exploring various selling platforms can diversify income streams. From local markets to online marketplaces, each avenue presents unique opportunities for reaching potential customers. Understanding the nuances of each platform can help woodworkers optimize their selling strategies, whether through direct sales, consignment, or online auctions. Adapting to different selling environments broadens the customer base and increases overall sales potential. As the woodworking business expands, considering the introduction of new product lines may be beneficial. Offering limited edition items or seasonal collections can create excitement and urgency among consumers, prompting them to make purchases. This strategy keeps the product range fresh and encourages artisans to experiment with new designs and techniques. Diversifying offerings can attract different customer segments, enhancing overall sales potential and reinforcing brand identity. Continuous skill development is critical for success in woodworking. Attending workshops, taking online courses, or joining local woodworking groups can help artisans learn new techniques and stay updated on industry trends. This ongoing education can inspire fresh ideas and innovative approaches to crafting, ultimately enhancing the quality of the work and contributing to business growth. Investing in personal development is as important as investing in tools. Customer engagement is an ongoing process that can lead to valuable insights for improvement. Creating a feedback loop where customers can share their thoughts on products and services can help artisans refine their offerings. Additionally, hosting events or workshops can foster community engagement, allowing customers to connect with the brand on a deeper level. Building a loyal customer base relies on creating an experience that extends beyond the transaction, enriching the overall relationship. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting crafted items. Regularly sharing content that showcases the crafting process, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and finished products can keep followers engaged and attract new customers. Utilizing platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can help artisans reach a wider audience and build a recognizable brand presence. Consistent posting and interaction with followers can create a lively online community that supports the business. As the business gains traction, exploring wholesale opportunities can open new revenue streams. Partnering with local shops or boutiques to sell crafted items can expand visibility and reach a broader audience. Wholesale arrangements can provide a steady stream of income, allowing woodworkers to focus on crafting while benefiting from established retail networks. Building these partnerships requires effective communication and negotiation skills, but the potential rewards can be significant. Transforming scrap wood into profitable crafts is an exciting venture for woodworkers seeking to maximize their creative potential and generate income. Many artisans accumulate leftover materials from larger projects, and instead of discarding these valuable resources, they can be repurposed into unique, sellable items. This practice not only minimizes waste, but also promotes a sustainable approach to woodworking, allowing artisans to contribute positively to the environment while building a business. Recognizing the hidden potential in scrap wood encourages innovative thinking and invites exploration of diverse crafting techniques. The journey begins with a mindset shift, seeing each piece of scrap wood not as waste, but as an opportunity for creativity. By experimenting with various designs and concepts, woodworkers can discover their unique styles and develop a signature approach to crafting. Quick and easy projects are particularly beneficial as they enable artisans to produce multiple items in a short time frame, increasing overall output. This efficiency is essential for maintaining profitability, especially in a competitive market where consumers are always seeking fresh and interesting products.